back students to standard 9th maths chapter 8 quadrilaterals, and this is the fourth session. Children, in previous session we learnt this trick to remember true or false statement for different types of convex quadrilateral. In this case the exception is RR. Alright, RR. In this case the exception is KT, then KP and KR. Alright. Now what it is? Do you remember? Anti-clockwise everything is true. A square is rectangle, true. A square is rhombus, true. A square is parallelogram, true. Correct? A rectangle is rhombus, that is false. Correct, children? Alright. A rectangle is parallelogram, true. A rhombus is parallelogram, true. So children, all the statements anti-clockwise except rectangle is rhombus is true, but rectangle is rhombus is false. So I use red color there. And clockwise everything is false. Clockwise the statements are false. Correct? Anti-clockwise true. So now a parallelogram is rhombus, false. A parallelogram is rectangle, false. A parallelogram is square, false. A rhombus is rectangle, false. A rhombus is square, false. A rectangle is square, false. Same way here. Clockwise the statement is false. Correct? A kite is trapezium, false. A kite is parallelogram, false. A kite is rhombus, false. A kite is rectangle, false. A kite is square, false. A trapezium is parallelogram, false. A trapezium is rhombus, false. A trapezium is rectangle, false. A trapezium is square, false. A rhombus is rectangle, false. A rhombus is square, false. A parallelogram is rhombus, false. A parallelogram is rectangle, false. A parallelogram is square, false. Alright? But anti-clockwise, yes, all the statements are true except K to T. So, yes, a trapezium is kite, false. K and P. A parallelogram is kite, false. And K and R, rectangle. A rectangle is kite, false. So these three are false, rest all are true. I hope you have understood this, children. Now we move on to proving each property that we have seen. Here, prove that type of sums. First one is theorem 8.1. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Children, what is the data? You are given a parallelogram. Here it is. Suppose this is parallelogram ABCD. So children, what you have in the data? आपको डेटा में क्या दिया है? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Correct? Parallelogram. क्या प्रूव करना है आपको? To prove, yes, diagonal. Let's draw one diagonal, children. Any one. AC. If the diagonal is drawn, we get two triangles. We have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल आपको congruent प्रूव करना है. Proof. How will you prove that, children? Now, you know the previous chapter triangle, where number of examples we have seen and we proved two triangles are congruent. And for that, we used some conditions. Side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, 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 RHS. Correct? So one of those conditions have to be used here. Now, what I have to prove is this red triangle ADC is congruent to green triangle ABC. All right? How to prove? Children, one part I am getting here is this. AC equal to AC. Red side AC is equal to green side AC, common side. Anything else? Children, you have to use this. Now you are given parallelogram. You know, if quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram, then AB is parallel to CD. Then look at AC, it is the transversal. So these angles are equal. This is green angle BAC and this is red angle DCA. So I got one more angle, pair of angles congruent, correct? Now same way, BC is parallel to AD and again the transversal is AC. So this angle BCA is equal to angle CAD. They are alternate pairs of angles. So now we got three corresponding paths congruent. And which condition is satisfied? Angle, side, angle. So by this angle, side, angle condition, the two triangles are congruent. That's it. Chaliye. How do I start my proof? By showing this angle equal, this angle equal. This you can write directly. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. कहां से मिला आपको? By data. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD and AC is their transversal. Correct, children? Therefore, green angle, this mark, BAC, angle BAC is equal to red angle, this one, ACD, angle ACD, call it 1. Similarly, we get, children, BC is parallel to AD and AC is the transversal. So directly I'll write, here the reason is alternate pair of angles. Correct? Now same alternate pairs of angles are this as well. ये भी alternate ही है. So I use the word similarly. We get green angle. कौन सा? Cross mark. BCA. Angle BCA is equal to red angle. Cross mark. DAC. Angle DAC. Call it result 2. No need of writing the reason because we use the word similarly. Thus, in triangle green and triangle red, triangle green का नाम है ABC और इसका नाम है triangle ADC. चलो फर्स्ट पार्ट यहां से, एंगल BAC is equal by 1, angle BCA is equal by 2 and AC is equal to AC, common side. Now angle BAC is equal to angle ACD by 1. Then angle BCA is equal to angle DAC by 2. So children, A as a condition is satisfied. Therefore, a correspondence. Yes, dash corresponds to dash is congruence by angle side angle congruence rule. करेक्ट. अभी लेफ्ट साइड पे मैं ग्रीन लिख दूं, ए बी सी डैश डैश डैश. लुक, यस, ए कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू सी. ग्रीन ए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में, सी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में आना चाहिए. देन सी ग्रीन कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू ए लास्ट, सो यहां लास्ट ए. अब बच गया डी. Therefore, children, therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA, i.e. triangle ABC is congruent to, याद करो children, once you get symbol of triangle in any order you can write triangle ADC. Prove. So the two triangles formed, green and red, by the diagonal are true. Now if you draw the other diagonal, you will get the other triangles. Okay. So यहाँ first, second क्या prove करना है? Triangle ABD, ये वाला, ये diagonal होगा तो triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BCD. So यहाँ लिखेंगे, similarly, it can be proved that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BCD. ये ट्राइंगल का सिंबल है तो कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, CBD, DBC, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Proved. This is proved 1 and this is proved 2. All right, children. I hope that is clear. Good. Moving ahead, children. Now it's theorem 8.2. Now don't forget the statement of theorem 8.1. Anytime we draw the diagonal of a parallelogram, two triangles are formed and they are congruent. If I draw this diagonal, two triangles will be formed and they are always congruent by theorem 8.1. Clear? Okay. Now let's see what is the next statement. In parallelogram, so parallelogram is given, opposite sides are equal. Children, very interesting. This is parallelogram ABCD. So data, what is given, children? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. And what we have to prove? To prove opposite sides are equal. So 1, AB is equal to CD. AB and CD are opposite sides. We have to prove they are equal. And 2, BC and AD, they are the other pair of opposite sides. So BC is equal to AD. Children, very interesting proof. Let's draw any one diagonal AC. I'm going to draw AC. So triangle green is one of the triangle formed by diagonal AC, and triangle blue is the other triangle formed by the same diagonal AC. Now it has been proved that these two triangles are congruent. So I start by taking AC as the diagonal. Let AC be the diagonal of parallelogram ABCD. Or instead of that, you can say draw AC the diagonal. Anything you can write. Okay? Fine. Therefore, a correspondence, yes, green corresponds to blue, is congruence. कैसे? By theorem 8.1. You may write by theorem if you don't remember the number. Now it is fresh in our mind, so we remember the number. All right. Green का मैं लिख दूं ABC और इसका सोच कर लिखना पड़ेगा. If you want, you write in pencil या सिंबल से पता चल जाएगा. C corresponds to A and this C corresponds to A and this is the common side. All right. Green A, ये green angle का A है, corresponds to blue C. So वो A फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में तो C फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में. All right. फिर ये green C है, ये एंगल C है ग्रीन वाला, green C लास्ट, that corresponds to blue A. So लास्ट green C है तो blue A लास्ट होना चाहिए. अब C और A मिल गया, बच गया D. That's it. Therefore children, अब मजा. AB यहां से चुनो तो यहां से CD मिलता है. So AB is equal to CD. And और क्या चाहिए हमसे? BC. यहां से BC लो तो यहां से DA. BC is equal to DA लिखो या AD. Finished. Proved by CPCT. Finished. So opposite sides are equal. Done. Clear? Okay. Next, theorem 8.3. What is the statement? If each pair of opposite side of quadrilateral, it's not parallelogram, it's a quadrilateral, and each pair, how many pairs are there? Two pairs of opposite sides. They are equal. Children, each pair of opposite side is equal for this quadrilateral. Then it is a parallelogram. Children, what you have to prove? Parallelogram prove करना है. Now when is a quadrilateral parallelogram? अभी तो हमारे पास सिर्फ definition है. Okay, suppose this quadrilateral is PQRS. तो कब हम ये quadrilateral PQRS को parallelogram कह सकते हैं? Yes, if both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to PS. ये प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. ओ चिल्ड्रन, PQ पैरेलल टू RS कब होगा? यदि ये डायगोनल ड्रॉ करो और ये एंगल, इफ दे आर इक्वल देन इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल हो तो अल्टरनेट पेयर्स आर इक्वल. Then PQ is parallel to SR. In the same manner, yes, if I take this angle is equal to this angle. तो ये दो लाइन और ट्रांसवर्सल alternate pair equal देगा. So they are alternate pairs and equal. So these two sides are parallel. अरे चिल्ड्रन, ये दो एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है. कैसे? ये रेड और रेड इक्वल प्रूव करना है. तो हमें पता है चिल्ड्रन, PQ इक्वल टू RS वो तो दिया है, और QR इक्वल टू PS वो भी दिया है. ईच पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड इक्वल. लेट मी राइट द डेटा. इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD, नॉट पैरेललोग्राम, PQ is equal to SR and QR is equal to PS. To prove quadrilateral, this is children PQRS. See what I am writing. To prove quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. That is what we have to prove. Now proof, interesting. Children, यदि ये दो एंगल आपको कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है तो आपको ये ट्राइंगल रेड, जिसमें ये रेड एंगल है, और ये ट्राइंगल ग्रीन, जिसमें ये ग्रीन एंगल है, ये दो ट्राइंगल इक्वल प्रूव करना है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है. करेक्ट? और वो प्रूव हो गया. ये दो साइड इक्वल, ये दो साइड इक्वल, एंड दिस इज द कॉमन साइड. सो यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली. चलिए, इन ग्रीन ट्राइंगल एंड रेड ट्राइंगल, रेड का PRS नाम लिख दो. ग्रीन का पी क्यू आर लिख दो। ऑलराइट, चलो कौन सा पार्ट, पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू आर एस बाई डेटा, ग्रीन पार्ट क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू पी एस बाई डेटा, एंड पी आर इज इक्वल टू पी आर, कॉमन साइड, करेक्ट। चलिए, पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू एस आर बाई डेटा, डेटा में ही है, और क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू पी एस, दैट इज ऑल्सो बाई डेटा। फिनिश्ड। Therefore, a correspondence, green corresponds to red, is congruence by side condition। चलो ग्रीन का नाम लिखो पी क्यू आर। अब कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस कुछ भी आ सकता है, रेड का अभी ऑल साइड्स याद है, यहां Q कॉमन है, यहां S कॉमन है, सो Q कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू S, बीच में, सो बीच में। नाउ Q कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू S पक्का, सो P कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू R, P फर्स्ट, सो R और S आ गया, बच गया P, इज कॉन्ग्रुएंस। देयरफॉर हमें जो एंगल चाहिए ग्रीन वाला QPR, एंगल QPR इज इक्वल टू रेड वाला ये SRP, एंगल SRP। देख लो, ये P और ये R, P और R इक्वल है, या ऑर्डर देखो, QPR SPR SRP, यार सेम, बाय CPCT। therefore PQ is parallel to SR, रिजल्ट 1। बस उसी तरह हम इसको भी पैरेलल प्रूव कर सकते हैं, कैसे कि ये दो एंगल भी इक्वल, सो दिस आर पैरेलल। सिमिलरली वी गेट QR पैरेलल टू PS, कॉल इट रिजल्ट 2। यस, 1 में क्या है, PQ इज पैरेलल टू RS, 2 में क्या है, QR इज पैरेलल टू SP, so both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel, therefore quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram by 1 and 2 using definition. Clear? Proof. Understood, children? Good. So children, moving further, now it is statement of theorem 8.4, and then next we are going to see 8.5. Children, here what we saw, in parallelogram opposite sides are equal, and in quadrilateral if opposite sides are equal then it is a parallelogram. So 8.3 is converse of 8.2, वैसी ही परिस्थिति यहां है। In parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so parallelogram is given and you have to prove opposite angles are equal. In this statement opposite angles are equal, that is given, and you have to show this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So theorem 8.4 and 8.5 are converse of each other. First let us see theorem 8.4. Data. What is given? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. All right, क्या प्रूव करना है? To prove opposite angles are equal. Angle A1, angle A is equal to angle C, and 2, angle B is equal to angle D. Correct, children? Proof. Children, once again draw any diagonal. This time I am drawing this diagonal. ये diagonal draw कर रहा हूं. So मुझे ये red triangle और ये green triangle मिल रहा है. Correct? अब रेड ट्राइंगल का ये एंगल और ग्रीन ट्राइंगल का ये एंगल, मतलब ए एंगल ए एंड एंगल सी आर इक्वल, हमें प्रूव करना है। सो ये दो ट्राइंगल इक्वल हो गए तो काम बन गया। ऑल राइट चिल्ड्रन, पैरेललोग्राम तो दिया ही है, This is common side. AB is parallel to CD. अरे यार थ्योरम 8.1 यूज करेंगे, ये करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ड्रॉ, ओके, सो प्रूफ. ड्रॉ अ डायगोनल या कंस्ट्रक्ट. ड्रॉ अ डायगोनल BD. Alright? Therefore, a correspondence, yes, red corresponds to green, is congruence. कहां से लाए भाई? By theorem 8.1. अब या रेड का लिख दूं ABD और यहां डैश डैश डैश. ऑल राइट चिल्ड्रन, अब देखो या कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस के लिए ये एंगल इक्वल टू ये एंगल. ऑल राइट, तो रेड बी जो बीच में है इस ग्रीन डी, तो डी बीच में आएगा. ऑल राइट, फिर ये एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. करेक्ट, बिकॉज दिस आर पैरेलल, ट्रांसवर्सल, ऑल्टरनेट एंगल. सो यहां रेड डी, ये वाला रेड डी इज ग्रीन बी, डी लास्ट, सो बी लास्ट. बी और डी आ गया, बच गया सी. ऑल राइट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू शुड लर्न दिस. ओके, देयरफॉर काम बन गया. कौन सा एंगल? एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल सी. हियर इट इज. देयरफॉर एंगल DAB, द रेड वन, एंगल DAB इज इक्वल टू द ग्रीन वन. देखो यहां DAB, तो BCD, एंगल BCD IE बीच वाला एंगल A इज इक्वल टू बीच वाला एंगल C. प्रूव्ड. 1. चलिए चिल्ड्रन, सिमिलरली बाय टेकिंग द अदर डायगोनल AC you can prove angle D equal to angle B या angle B equal to angle D. Similarly, by constructing diagonal AC, we can prove that, बोलिए the second one, angle B is equal to angle D. Proved. 2. Clear? Good. Okay. Now moving to the next one. Theorem 8.5. If each pair of opposite angles of quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. मैंने पैरेललोग्राम ड्रॉ करके रखा है क्योंकि प्रूव करना है. वो पैरेललोग्राम है लेकिन प्रूव करना है. ऑलराइट, चलिए पहले डेटा लिख देते हैं. In quadrilateral ABCD, yes, angle D equal to चलिए DONE. In quadrilateral DONE, angle D equal to angle N and angle O equal to angle E. To prove quadrilateral DONE is a parallelogram. Interesting, and this is difficult, children. Please, I'm writing number, angle number 1, angle number 2, angle number 3, angle number 4. All right. So what you have? Proof में मैं number से ही लिखूंगा. Proof. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, D equal to N, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Call it 1 by data. Correct? Now children, what is the total measure of all four angles? We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360. Therefore, chale, instead of 1, I write, okay, instead of 3, I write 1. And instead of 4, I write 2. So, angle 1 वैसे ही, angle 2 ऐसे ही, angle 3 की जगह पे angle 1 और angle 4 की जगह पे angle 2 is equal to 360 by 1. So, 2 times angle 1 plus 2 times angle 2 is equal to 360. Therefore, 2 is common. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 360. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Children, ये 1 or 2, 180, result 2. But this line, and this is the transversal. These are interior angles. Interior angles are 180, so supplementary. So lines are parallel. I.e. interior angles formed by ट्रांसवर्सल, क्या नाम दो उसको, DO of lines ON and DE are equal. Therefore, ON is parallel to DE. Call it 3. In the same way, children, you can prove DO is parallel to EN. Similarly, it can be proved DO is parallel to EN. Result O. I am writing it here now, children. Result O. By 3 and 4. It follows that quadrilateral DONE is a parallelogram. Proved. Clear, children? Okay, little less area was there to write, but I hope you have understood. Children, these proofs are not given in your textbooks, and those proofs which are not given in the textbook will not be asked in the examination, but we are going to see each and every proof so that you can do the consolidation work of this chapter. That is the reason we are doing it. Fine. We'll end up this session here. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.